alaikum to all. Today we'll discuss about another topic, that is guidance services at elementary level. As you all know, guidance plays a dominant role in the education of children. All children have different potentialities which we need to develop, or you can say they have different interests which we need to discover, or they may face so many problems which we have to solve. If we can't solve the problems, whether it is related to their personal life, whether it is related to their educational life or social life, we need to solve them. If we can't solve, the personality of the child develops quality. We cannot develop them fully. So what we need to provide them guidance in order to discover or develop their potentialities. So what is the need and importance of providing guidances at elementary level? Firstly, we need to provide guidance services at elementary level, because it is the demand of modern educational thought. Presently, the modern education system demands for the guidance services at very pre-level, or you can say elementary level, at very early stage, because a child suffers a lot. He may have so many problems. He may have physical problems, he may have psychological problems, he may have adjustment problems. So if we can't provide guidance services at elementary level, we cannot develop him fully. So we need to provide guidance at very early stage. Second is to avail problems of adolescent period. We need to provide guidance services which can solve the problems of adolescent period, because an adolescent student faces a lot of problems. They are emotionally very much disturbed. They maybe have so many problems related to their social activities. They maybe have educational problems. So adolescent periods पे imagination ज़्यादा होती है, needs ज़्यादा होती है, urges ज़्यादा होती है. इंसान बिल्कुल feel करता है अपने आप को in the imagination world. So in that period we have to provide such type of guidance which can solve all the problems which a adolescent period student faces. So अगर हम early stage पे guidance provide नहीं करेंगे, we cannot develop the complete personality of an adolescent student. So उसकी problems को solve करने के लिए, tackle करने के लिए, we need to provide the guidance services at elementary level. फिर then why we need the guidance service, or what is the importance of guidance services at elementary level? That is, we need guidance services for better growth and development. If you want to develop a child fully और उसकी proper growth हो जाए, we need to provide guidance. जब तक हम उसको proper guidance नहीं करेंगे, वो emotionally, physically, socially, economically, politically, intellectually develop नहीं होगा, उसकी proper growth नहीं होगी. So for his proper growth and development, we need to provide guidance services. Then lastly, for to check maladjustment, क्योंकि you all know एक बच्चे का जो पहला स्कूल होता है वो होता है उसकी फैमिली से निकल के वो थोड़ा इनसिक्योर हो जाता है. जब उसको स्कूल में एडमिट किया जाता है तो एडजस्टमेंट की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, वो दूसरों के साथ एडजस्टमेंट नहीं कर पाता बिकॉज ऑफ हिज इनसिक्योरिटी. और काफ़ी उसके आइडियोलॉजी डिफरेंट होती है, उसकी सोच अलग होती है, उसके आइडियाज़ अलग होते हैं. तो मैच हिज आइडियाज़ विद द सोसाइटी, वी नीड टू मेक हिम फुली एडजस्टेड. अगर हम उसको प्रॉपर गाइडेंस करते हैं, उसका मैल एडजस्ट जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स होते हैं, जो उसमें प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, वो दूर होती है. सो in order to make a child fully adjusted, we need to provide guidance services at elementary level. Now, what is the basic concept of guidance services at elementary level? Let us see that. Basic concept. Basic concept of guidance at elementary level. पहला जो है, क्या हमारा basic concept है कि guidance must serve all children. Guidance must serve all children. Means we should not provide guidance on the basis of class, color, caste, or capability, or seeing potentialities among the children. No, it should be served to all children. not just with serious problems, or sometimes we provide guidance only to those who have severe problems. No, guidance should be provided to each and everyone, because every children needs the guidance. So it should not be based on only certain cases or on certain problems, but it should be based on each and every children's personality. Means guidance must serve all children. Then second thing, guidance is both primitive and remedial. Guidance is both primitive and remedial. Means we should provide guidance in order to remove the maladjustment problem. When we see the problem, we should get at least such type of, we should give such type of guidance to the child, through which he can remove his problems, through which he can solve his problems, or through which he can remove his all factors जो उसके adjustment में problem ला रहे हैं. Means कि it should have primitive as well as remedial factors. Then next, that is, guidance is a continuous problem, continuous process. It should be continuous. Continuous process. So guidance should not be provided only at a particular place or at particular stage. Nahi, it should be continuous, because we need guidance from birth to the grave. So हमें guidance की at every stage we need the guidance. हमें हर हाल में guidance की ज़रूरत है, चाहे वो हमें educationally ज़रूरत हो, चाहे वो हमें vocationally ज़रूरत हो, चाहे वो हमें personally ज़रूरत हो. So guidance जो है, it should be the continuous process. ये कहीं particular stage के लिए नहीं होनी चाहिए, particular situation के लिए नहीं होनी चाहिए. Then comes guidance. Guidance should be it should be aiding pupils to best out of their education. Means guidance should be aid also. It should be aiding the pupils to get the best out of their education. Whatever they should get best out of their education. Then lastly, गाइडेंस जो है, ये एटलीस्ट ये हमें प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए टू एंटर द एट द सेकेंडरी लेवल. गाइडेंस should help a child to enter at secondary level. Means after elementary level, it should prepare the child, it should help the child to enter at the secondary level. यानी secondary level के लिए we have to prepare the child so that कि वो easily जो है अपने आप को fully adjust करे at secondary level also. So with this I conclude the topic. Allah Hafiz.